Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday. I am currently trying out outfits for a video that I want to shoot tomorrow, so I'm styling it, and I'm also checking out the transitions that would work for every outfit. When I'm done, I just want to make breakfast. It's Sunday, so Sunday rice basically. Then I'm going to go to Ebano. I want to pick some things at Ebano. My friend's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm going to pick up some drinks there. Then when I'm done, I'm going to head to her house, so I'll just pack my things on my way out. And yeah, so that's what today is going to be. My mirror hasn't been fixed, so I'm just managing it that way. And see, I'm literally tired of this carpenter. Refund me or do your job. It's a problem. Anyway, let me just get back to starting this video, because there is so my friend's birthday is today, and there's some people in the living room. We are at an apartment in Mabuchi. The place is really nice. I'm going to drop a tour video of this place after this. It's such a nice place and really affordable. It's like 60k for 2-bedroom apartment for a day. When we were checking for places we could do her birthday, we're seeing places of 75 for 1 bedroom, 50k for 1 bedroom and all that. So this is like a steal. 60k for the apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, and 50k caution fee, which is refundable. So in total 110. Today, and I'm also going to stop at the office to do some work since I'm already out of my house. What else am I doing today? Nothing much. I have some printing to do, so I'm going to UTC to print some clothing tags, to print some tags for my business and some shopping bags. So I'm wearing this organza bubble sleeve top and pant trouser. It's high-waisted. I don't know what I'll wear on my feet, but I don't care at this point because I am going to run errands today and I need to be fast in motion. My hair is from Prime Hairline. Let me brush that down. So Prime Hairline is also my friend's business. So if you want any hair, any type of hair, just reach out to her. So if I was to say anything about their prices are affordable. It's not as expensive as most hair vendors, and you also get value for your money because their hairs are very good no matter the price range of whatever you get. So I'm done and I'll see you guys later. This Sunday I just finished drafting out content for 2 brands that I'll be working with this week, and yeah, I'm actually motivated to create content today. I'm supposed to be resting, but since I have the energy to create, why not just create them at once so that I can have time to rest or have time to create another content next week. So I just drafted it. I'm going to be shooting like a get ready with me and also like feature the outfit I'm wearing today in my a week in outfit video that I'll be posting anytime soon. And yeah, that's just what today's going to be. Then I have an outing.
Kick.